it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I actually have a tip for you from my own personal experience, and that is what are my favorite foam paint brushes, because this is what I use constantly, repetitively in all of my tutorials that you guys see, whether I'm painting or stenciling or crafting. A lot of times I have these little foam paintbrushes. So the ones that I have found are the best are from Michael's Arts and Crafts store. So I've tried Hobby Lobby, I've tried Walmart, so I've tried several, and if I'm in a pinch I will run to Walmart or wherever's closest that has these, and I'll just use what I can find. But I really actually prefer the ones from Michael's, and I like these 1-inch wide size. It seems to work for everything. They fit in the paint jars, and they're not too big, they're not too small, so I always pick up a container like this from Michael's. It comes with 20 in here, and they are now $4.50 for a container, a package like this. And I'm not gonna lie, I go through these things like crazy. I'm a little bummed because they used to be $5 and you could use a coupon on them, but now they are a like everyday special or something, which you can't use coupons on, but they're still very affordable for getting as many that you do. Why do paintbrushes matter? They matter a lot to me, mainly because I use them so much, but also your tools make a big difference in how your projects turn out. So you don't want like pieces of the foam flaking off, which happens a lot with the more lower end ones, and these last longer. You can wash them and use them a couple times, and they're also great for stenciling, and that is why I just prefer this actual paintbrush. So I hope that that tip helped some of you, especially if you're kind of struggling to find a good paintbrush, which I know I did for a while, and I still keep going back to these same ones. But I hope this video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me questions down in the comments below. Maybe you guys have questions for me to answer. Maybe I'll feature you in an upcoming Quick Tip Tuesday. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.